Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the battle.net error. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to restart battle.net. For that, you need to enter into your task manager and please enter the background battle.net is running. So once it's done, please close it. And our second step is to flush DNS and reset network. For that, you need to enter the command prompt and copy the prompt in the description and paste it on there. Please copy the prompt one by one and paste it on the CMD. So once it's done, please type exit to exit from command prompt. And the third step is to delete battle.net cache files. For that, you need to press Windows R and then type percentage local app data percentage. And please enter into the Bizarre Entertainment and delete the folder. And again, please press Windows R and then type percentage program data percentage. And please delete the following folders and close it. And the fourth step is to disable VPN or proxy. For that, you need to press Windows R and then type inetcpl.cpl and then press OK. Over there, you need to select connections and LAN settings, and you need to enable use a proxy server for your LAN and then press OK. Fifth step is to change DNS server. For that, you need to press Windows R and then type ncpa.cpl and then press OK. And then enter into your network, either maybe your Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Select the protocol version 4 and then enter into the properties and type 8888 and 8844 on the DNS server address and then click OK. So our sixth step is to repair Windows system file. For that, you need to enter into command prompt as run as administrator mode and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. And please have some patience to wait on it. It needs to load from 0 to 100. Yeah, once it loaded, please copy the second line of the prompt and paste it over there. The same, you need to wait for some time. It needs to be loaded from 0 to 100. Once it's done, please type exit or simply close it. So once it's done, our seventh step is to restart your PC. So I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved once you do that. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.